Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next pair of shoes to go ahead and kind of tell you all about them, and that's what I'm going to do. Check these out. These are just beautiful. Look at these women's boots. As you can see, they're kind of a little above the ankle boot here. They are a beautiful black patent leather, and the thing that stands out, obviously, is all of the buckles. Look at this. Oh, that's just beautiful. There's one on that side and there's one on this side. I love that metal and that leather look. It just really adds to the fashion, the stylish of it. It makes you really just say, wow. So a couple quick things about these. They are obviously a rounded toe. It's a good rounded toe. It's a solid toe there. The soles themselves are kind of a non-slip, or there's kind of a grip there. This is about a 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inch heel. You can kind of see how they look. So my daughter's actually worn these around the house once or twice. She says they're fairly comfortable. You can kind of see how they would just be great with jeans. They'll be great with anything kind of dressy, kind of when you're going out, you got long pants, you want to kind of just accentuate this. This would be perfect. Again, jeans are really what come to mind when I think about these things. They're just kind of a nice, chunky, tough shoe. They are somewhat comfortable. You can walk a fair bit in them. My daughter says they're padded pretty well, and I can kind of feel it in there. Also, just so you know, this little adjustment up here, you can actually adjust that to tighten or loosen it a little bit, and there is a little bit of play up here in the fabric. So if you have thicker calves, that's fine. Give them a shot. You can loosen that up a little bit so your calf can kind of fit in there and kind of walk. But you can see they just look beautiful. They're just nice looking shoes. They kind of evoke a little bit of a motorcycle slash cowboy western, a little bit of a tough girl attitude. They're just beautiful shoes. They are really popular. My daughter loves these things, and they look great, and she says they feel great as well.